Well, hello everybody. We are here another week with Grandma Tanner. She is back after having hip surgery, so we are glad to see her. Today we are making raspberry vanilla overnight oats. So she thought this would be a good thing for back to school to be quick and easy. So take it away, Grandma.
And it's also nutritious. Sometimes these kids have to leave real early in the morning, and you make this the night before, stick it in the fridge, stir it all up, stick it in the fridge, and it's just nice and soft in the morning. So it's a half a cup of oats in each jar I have. I'm going to make a red raspberry and a blueberry, and then you put a half a cup of plain vanilla yogurt in there. But you could also use in strawberries. I think we could even put chopped up peaches. We have nice peaches right now. Our blueberries, I think, are just about gone. And so just pour this in here, right on top of your oats. Now it says old-fashioned oats. I do have the quick oats here, but I don't think it makes much difference. So while you're making these in the evening, you could just make 2 or 3 or 4, and they will be good in your refrigerator for several days. Quite a few days, I think. And if you just have these little jars, you can just reuse them. It's a very easy, nutritious breakfast. And your children might learn to eat oatmeal and fruit and yogurt, which a lot of kids do like all that stuff. Okay, dribbled on the outside of that jar. So then it's a 1/4 of a teaspoon of vanilla, and I have our good vanilla. Put that in there. If you like vanilla, you can put just a little bit more.
Whoever measures vanilla, I never measure vanilla.
I thought I would, since I had 1/4 of a teaspoon here, I'd use that. And then you put a tablespoon of blueberry jam or whatever flavor you're making with the fruit. Get a nice big heaping thing of blueberry jam. Clean that off and dip it into the other jar. And we have our own raspberry jam. All of our jams are seedless, because a lot of people cannot have seeds with their jams. And then you just take the spoon and stir this up real good. Try to get all that off the bottom. Such an easy, nutritious breakfast on the go. I mean, for working moms and dads, it's great. Let's take that little jar with you. Now our blueberry jam does have some blueberries in it, so I see some little blueberries floating around in here. My husband says, be sure to save some for me, because I made him some the other day and he really liked it. So now I will try the raspberry jam, red raspberry. Oh no, I already put that in. I'm sorry. I gotta stir
We
it
got to
up.
stir.
That's why I wiped that spoon off. It's just been 10 days since I had my new hip, so
You're doing pretty good, Grandma.
I'm a little rusty. I remember when I worked in surgery, it was 10 days in the hospital.
Oh, I believe it.
And you probably remember that too. You were a nurse.
Yep. They do things a lot different nowadays.
Oh yeah. 1 hour surgery and home 3 hours later. Amazing. So get this all stirred up. And then you put your fruit in. It's 1/3 of a cup of your fruit. So I'm just going to dump that in there. Now these are our little 12-ounce jam jars. If you don't have them, a pint jar is good. You just stir that all together. And then I have 1/3 of a cup of blueberries. Put them in there. And just let them set overnight. Now, if you use strawberries, I would just chop it up in little pieces, and same way with peaches.
Yep.
We have peach jam and strawberry jam, and
You could do any fruit and coordinating jam with it would be good. And I also wonder if you could swap out your yogurt flavor. I know there are flavored yogurts like strawberry, peach, blueberry. You could do that too.
oh yes, that would give it a little extra flavor. So that is today's cooking.
All right.
There isn't any cooking to it, but I made these last evening, and I had these 2 little pint jars. So that oats just gets all softened up,
Mm-hmm.
and it's
Oh.
very nutritious.
Well, it looks good and easy, just what most moms need nowadays to get their kids off to school or to take to work. So that's a good recipe. Thanks, Grandma. We'll see you all next week.
Okay.